massive storms. So we see the situation there, and the eastern part of Long Island also being pounded right now. The snow is still falling there this morning. The roads completely shut down, highways abandoned, and ABC's Tom Yamas is in Farmingville, New York, with the latest on the situation there. Good morning, Tom.
Robin, good morning to you. We're going to need a bigger shovel when people walk out of their front doors in Long Island. They're going to see this, piles and piles of snow. And when it's all said and done, some parts of Long Island may have up to 2 feet of snow. But what's really going to keep people inside today, it's not the white stuff, it's those whipping winds. Overnight, a grueling commute, millions racing home before the height of the storm, and before sweeping travel bans went into effect in 5 states. By nightfall, those bans turning some of the nation's busiest cities into ghost towns. Here on Long Island, 15 inches of snow and whipping winds. Normally one of the busiest highways in the